Hello everyone, today I have Scribble Paint Sticks and we even have this coloring sheets with and it came with it. So these are Scribble Paint Sticks. So we have to color on it. So let's open them. Oh, look at the big one. It has so much of it. It kind of looks like a rainbow.
Yeah, it's
And look at this one. It is in like a cotton candy box. And look at this one. It's in a box. And it's very heavy. So let's open it. Kids, I choose these paint sticks. And I'm going to choose which coloring sheet should I have. I would like this one. This one's a very cool painting stick. I want to color on this one. And Khadija picks this tennis one.
Yeah,
So let's start drawing. Khadija, which one do you want to start with?
pink.
That's not pink, that's purple.
Purple.
This is pink.
Pink.
Here you go, this is pink. Uh-oh, a sheet fell. So kids, I'm starting to draw. It feels so satisfying when you want to draw. Wow, this feels satisfying. It's hard to draw on this because it has this shape like a pink. But then next. Oh, I will open it, Khadija. I will open it. I will open it.
Okay.
Here you go. She said it. Thank you. She says to when you hear. She says thank you. Look, I noticed in these you can scroll it up. See? When it's finished, you can like scroll up. But right now it's already full, so I can still use it. I can use it. Kids, look at my drawing. Do you like it? It's so cool.
Let's see, Baba.
I do like Khadija. She draws very nice, isn't it, guys?
Yes, I think
Yes, it is nice. I'm not going to film it. Kids, now I'm going to do chunky paint stick. And I choose this tennis one. And Khadija got this beach one, which has a sandcastle. So let's open this one. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to open this. And I'm going to take this off. Ooh, they're big, guys. Look. Khadija, move your hand. Look, guys, they're so big. So let's take them out. So here's a yellow, a white. Khadija got the orange. I got a red, a dark blue, a pink Khadija got, and a purple. Khadija got a green, a blackish, it's a grey. Khadija got a light blue, a black and a dark green, and Khadija got light blue. So let's start drawing with these colors. I'm gonna like connect the endings together. Kids, ta-da! Look what I drew! I drew a rainbow. You know why I didn't draw it in the coloring side? Because it was too big, so it would just mess up our drawing straight away. And we will just save it for the next round because we don't have enough for the next, so we've just been coloring. Khadija, show kids yours. Show kids yours. Look at Khadija. It kind of looks like an England flag to me, but no, it's the purple and black. So let's open the next. Kids, now I'm going to open Scribble Paint Sticks. So let's start opening the big one. So let's open it. We have to open it.
Yay! Yay!
Kids, this is what came out of the big box. These markers. So we have the full rainbow color markers. Not all of them, even the other colors of the rainbow. So we will have to do on the other side of our rainbow. So Khadija will use it on the other side of her picture. So we will color on our picture. So let's start. I'm going to start off with light.
Itu Mia. Mia. Mia.
Kids, I'm drawing this. look at my drawing. Do you like it? I used it with these colors. And this is all of our drawings. And even this one that I drew. I really like Khadija's too. Khadija's is very good. She did very hard work on her drawings. So, thank you for watching.